just, you know, relax at the beach a little, and that's about it. I've been testing and so far nothing. I've been seeing little hints, but I don't think they mean anything. I'm not gonna put my hopes too high and then get very sad, but I'm not gonna lose hope. And I know that it's not over until my period comes. So I am supposed to start my new cycle on the 6th or the 7th. So let's hang in there and see. So before we actually reach the beach, we're gonna make a quick stop. We see that I keep looking up there because of the LCD screen that's flipped up, but let me look at here. So we're gonna stop first at either Pollo Tropical or Chipotle to get something to eat. Then we're gonna go at the beach. I'm not sure if some of you know the reason why we're actually going to the beach. First is to take my mind off. Well, I'm taking advantage of that. It's to take my mind off, you know, peeing on a stick to see if I'm pregnant, because it's like getting me whatever on the edge. But anyways, one of the reasons we're gonna try to enjoy today, even though it's a Monday, because normally we were supposed to have like Hurricane Erica. So I'm not sure if you guys know about that. Thank God for us. All we had is, all we had was just, you know, rain, lightning, and that's about it. So we're happy about that. So my husband decided to take half of the day off and go enjoy the beach. Yes, he can do it because he's his own boss. So tag along. So we are at Chipotle, and truthfully I think we're going a little bit crazy. Well, me, I'm going a little bit crazy. Got my food. Joseph. Quoi? Ok, attends-moi. Hi guys, well, we're back from the beach. We had a wonderful evening. You know, the water was amazing. It was very windy, tons of, like, you know, crazy waves, but we did enjoy. I got to relax, and you know, I got to disconnect a bit from peeing on a stick, you know, every every other hour. But anyways, I'm back home and I'm about to do a live pregnancy test. Today I'm supposed to be 9 or 10 DPO, depending on how I'm counting it. So let's see. Okay, you guys, it's been about like 15 minutes that I did the test, and for some reason I think I am seeing a very faint positive. Gosh, not sure if you see it this way, maybe that way. No,